Alright folks, we're back at the Toy Barn here in Dublin, Ohio. So big shout out to them, big shout out to my man Brian. They just knocked out my Lamborghini Aventador with some major mods. We got Navatech springs, it's lowered, it's dropped. We've got new wheels from Velos Designs. So I'm gonna show you guys the wheels. And we got the most awesome sounding exhaust that you can get for an Aventador, and that is the Brilliant exhaust, also known as the Star Dropper exhaust. This gave birth to the sound of the Gentani exhaust for the Aventadors. All that came after this person that made this exhaust coming out of Japan, the Brilliant exhaust. So we're gonna fire it up, let you guys hear it, let you guys see it. Yeah, so we got a real beast on our hands with my Lamborghini Aventador SV, wrapped in a special blue color. Shout out to Roger Page with SX Auto Enhancement. All right, so we're getting ready to drop it off right now for an exhaust and lowering springs by Navatech, the exhaust by Brilliant. So I'll meet Brian up here to get the exhaust installed. Then of course I'll have to get it tuned by BF Engineering. So shout out to BF. Shark. Let's just enjoy this beauty shot right here. You good? Yep.
The wrap on the SV.
Yeah. So it's got the little, it's got this, it's got down pipes, and of course a legendary setup for the mufflers.
What was the wait to get this manufactured?
Oh man, it was 5 months.
Because these were all like made to order painstakingly. This isn't like sitting on the shelf somewhere.
Did you order this before you got the car?
Same time you got it.
Same exact time. Because I was trying to use, I had ordered one of these before, and but it was for a different car.
For a roadster you had that you kept for like a week.
Roger probably gets nervous when I break this up.
I love to see in the car already, dude.
The Japanese famous Star Dropper.
Look at that welding work.
Oh, but they might have. I wonder did they make a mistake?
Why?
It's supposed to have 4 chips.
I still don't know if he did the F4. I don't know, dude.
That's gonna be the theme of the video. Get him on there.
I don't know.
He's gonna be the one.
F12 versus SV.
So the F12 for me too. Definitely the best sounding car I've ever had. This looks like a heat shield. Oh, that's a heat shield. All right, let's go in and check it out.
I'm about to go deaf. Oh man. I'm gonna go deaf. Completely. Oh my god. I'm gonna go deaf. Bro, it was shooting flames crazy too. Oh my god. Alright.
We're gonna let my house go. Oh, what's that, bro? Yo.
Started without me. Harry started.
Yo, you killed it. You killed it. Alright, go. You want go ahead, start. Go ahead, rev it. Go ahead. Alright, he's gonna rev it. Hey, look at the wheels though. Huh? Yeah. Oh my god. Look at them wheels though. I'm in love with these wheels, bro. Oh man. Look at the wheels on this thing. And it's got the drop, so it's low to the ground now. That's that Novitec drop, adjustable coilovers or adjustable springs. Yo, it looks crazy. It looks crazy, dude. All right, so Brian did the honors. Brian did the honors, bro. Yo, you killed it, bro. Ah, man, I'm speechless, dude. You want me to rev it? All right, here you go.
Oh my god. This is nuts. Look at the flames. Golly. Oh my god. That is. You just set off the alarm for that car.
That's loud, bro.
That's insane. Oh my god. You set off that man's alarm.
Yeah, buddy. There it is.
Oh my god.
Yo, it sounds so sick. Sounds so sick, man. Oh my, oh, police. All right, the popo's right beside us / behind us.
It's not happening every time with this.
Every time we go out, right? Bye, copper. Now it's a proper Aventador. Proper Aventador now, buddy. Yeah. Crazy downshifts. Shout out to Brilliant Exhaust. Shout out to Brian for slapping it on. He got us right.
This thing is low.
We got it sitting on the ground. Nasty. Yeah. I think we got a little bit of all-wheel burnout right there. Yo, I think we just spent all 4 tires, man. Didn't it feel like that?
It did.
Yo. Yeah, buddy. Proper YOLO 2.0. That was sick. We had an all-wheel drive burnout in this thing, man. That's crazy. Yo. Wow.
You want me to go past him once if he's out?
Yeah, if he's out there, we'll hit it one more time by him. These things shift early in auto mode. All right, here we go. We're gonna do a flyby for Hamza. Hopefully he's still out there. There he is. Yo! Well, Brian got me right once again. You guys remember the F12? So I don't know. What's the comparison to the F12?
Ooh.
That's a tough one.
Same but different, you know?
I think at high RPM, this may be a little better, but at low normal driving range, the F12 is probably a little
good in their own kind of sense. You know what I mean?
Yep.
This is probably top of the it's probably top of the food chain though.
Oh yeah, especially for a Aventador.
Yeah.
Those wheels, bro. Dang, them wheels is funky. Dang, those wheels are funky, bro. Man, I feel like I just got a brand new car again. That's what happens when you start modding your car out and stuff. Woo! So we gotta go get some B-roll for you guys. I'll probably do it tomorrow, so it'll be the next day when you see the B-roll. But man, those wheels, the tune, everything came together perfect. Can you imagine that, man? It's lowered perfectly on the Novitec springs. My little plastic dip worked on my center locks is still on there. Golly, this thing is sick. The wrap, shout out to X6 Auto Enhancement. The wrap is looking crispy. All right, let me open it up. Yeah, man, they got me together here at the toy barn. There we go. Yeah. If you have an Aventador and you want some aftermarket wheels, I got these from Velos Design Works, and I have a set of these wheels for a regular Aventador with the 5 lugs. So if you got a regular Aventador and you do not have center locks, I have these brand new wheels for sale because I bought them for my Verde Ithaca Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. But before I even got that car, I traded it in and I got this. So this has center locks on it because it's an SV. So I had to get a whole new set of wheels. Finally came in. So the original set of wheels that I bought for my Aventador are for sale, and they're the same style. They're the exact same wheels as this, and they're brand new, never mounted or anything. So if you got an Aventador and you want the sickest set of wheels for your Aventador with the stance and everything, look at the stance. holla at me, man. You can use your OEM tires as well. Look at that flush stance with the wheels. So I got a set for sale, man. If you got a Aventador, email me, get@willmotivation.com. get@willmotivation.com. Yeah, you can be sitting pretty too. What you think, man? He's over here smiling. What you think?
Nice. Man, what is there not to like about the car? The color's on point, the wheels are on point, the exhaust is nuts. That thing is a beast. You gotta give me credit where credit is.
2 thumbs up.
3 thumbs up. If I could give you 3 thumbs up, I would.
Hey, you know we got something on order though, right?
What you got on order?
Yeah.
It's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. I'm here to tell you guys to go to Will Motivation. The exotic cars is crazy. I've been watching this show for a little while now and it's growing. But we need everybody else to subscribe to Will Motivation and support Will. I'm supporting them. You do the same.